start taking our deep breaths and gently closing our eyes to prepare for a time of meditation. Just allowing ourselves to relax and just receive. Wherever we are today, whatever this brought up for us, speaking truth to the core of ourselves. I send my love over the mountains. I send my love over the sea. I send my love into the heaven, and it returns to me. I send my love over the mountain. I send my love over the sea. I send my love into the heaven, and it returns to me. I send my peace over the mountain. I send my peace over the sea. I send my peace into the heavens, and it returns to me. Inhaling and exhaling, we begin to reach the spaces inside of us where we may have bought into the limitations of the human condition. We may have encouraged a sense of separation. We may have been hurt, felt injured. We may even right now be in the midst of something that feels insurmountable. So honoring all of the feelings, the experiences, listening to the thoughts, we become aware, we observe. We observe so that we can be grounded. We are grounded so that we can be present. We are present so that we can find our power. We breathe into our power so that we can set our intention. We set our intention so that we may truly live. So taking a deep inhale and a full exhale, we allow ourselves the Sabbath, the spaciousness, to speak truth, to step into truth, to have faith enough to call it forth when it cannot be seen with the eyes. Life is so much more than meets the eye. When we step into our power and we act on our intentions, there is a wave that comes over humanity, a wave that cannot be held back, a wave of individuals living their truth, living their light. So right here and right now, we make a commitment. A commitment not to sacrifice our true intention, not to give away our power, not to believe in any limitation, even if it feels that it's thrust upon us. We simply plant the seeds in the garden that create a welcoming environment for all things good, all things God. And so it is.